In the Locations panel, you can view all materials stored in each location that you have created for your milling center. Though this panel will allow you to add as many locations as possible, there are separate steps to add new or reusable materials. Let's start by covering adding new materials using the Location panel. First, click on a location name. This will take you to a separate screen to view any items saved to the location. To add new materials, click the Add Inventory button. This will start the new inventory wizard. From this step, determine whether you would like to find a profile by scanning a barcode or QR code, or by doing a manual search. For this example, I will click the Search or Create Item button. One key point about the search feature is the filtering function that allows you to quickly find your materials. Since I know I will store only nylon and thermoplastic-based materials in this location, I'm going to use a custom filter and select thermoplastic. The search list will shorten to only show profiles that match the filter. Now that I have found the profile for my new inventory, I will click on the profile. Next, let's say I received 5 units of new inventory from a recent shipment arriving to my milling center. I will enter the 5 units here and click Next. If all 5 units have the same lot number, I will enter the lot number here. If not, I would skip this step and add the lot number later. For this example, I will enter a lot number for this entry and click Next. The last screen allows me to review my inventory entry details. If I need to edit the entry, I can click the Back button. Things look good, so I'm going to click Confirm to add the new units to my account under this location. Then I will click the Close button to remove the notification. The new inventory is added in a list under the location. Since I added 5 units, I now have 5 units of material for the location. The serial number is a reference to the unit. Clicking this link will take you to the Item View panel for the unit selected. Here you will notice the details we entered in the new inventory wizard are saved properly. The top section of this panel also lists the profile name for the unit. Clicking this link will take you to the Profile View panel to view all inventory and costs for the profile. You will notice the new inventory units are added under the New Units section. You will also notice an increase in stock and cost for the profile.